Welcome to my video. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete the linked list. Okay, so it will be starting from a point that is called a head to the last of the list. For example, if we have a list like 1 points to 2 points to 3 points to 6 and points to null. Okay, and we have a head at 1. So I will be deleting this whole list. Okay, so this is our agenda for today's topic. So I already have few APIs that we discussed in the last videos, that is insert at beginning and print linked list. Okay, so first we have to create a linked list. Okay, so that will do fast, like node star head is equal to null. Then I will add a list, that is insert at begin. I'll pass this head pointer and give it a value 9. Second in the list is head. Then we have 5, and the third will be 2. Okay. So these three nodes are there in the linked list right now. Okay. So if you don't know how to insert a node at the start of the linked list, so you can refer my earlier videos. So here I have to print that list as well. So here I will make a print and I will pass that pointer to this to print it. If I save it, I run it, then I just run it. So I have a linked list starting with 2 as the first node. That is the head of the linked list, and then we have 5 and 9 and goes to the null. So I have to delete a full list. So I will declare a new function that will delete the whole linked list. That will be uh, I'll take void over here, then I have delete list. Okay, so what are the input parameters to this? So what I will do, I'll take a double head pointer. So I will call it after this, then I'll pass the head pointer words. Simple. Okay, and it will delete the whole bunch of list. Okay, so as we know, we created a nodes using malloc, so we have to feed using feed. And if I do like this, will it delete a full linked list? Like we have, if in this case I have, you know, 2 points to 5 points to 9, and this points to null. So this is a linked list that is created by our program, and this is the head of the linked list. So if I apply free on this head pointer, so it will remove this first element. So what happen if we delete the first element? So we don't have the pointer that will allocate to this and this. Okay, so the whole list will be a memory leak. So we need to avoid this. We have to delete each and every element one by one to this function. So how to do this? So we have to traverse to each element. Okay, so what I will do, I will take temporary variable node star of current is equal to star of head. So it will point to the head pointer. Then while current, sorry, current is not equal to null, And then what I will do, I'll take current equal to current points to next. So what this code will do is it will traverse to each and every element starting from the head pointer until the current pointer is equal to null. That means the end of the linked list. Okay. So we'll just take this and we'll do this. So will it work? I don't think so because this is the head of the list. Okay. So we are going to the second in the list. So this current is equal to current points to next. So it will go earlier the current is at 2 here in this line, and then it will go to current points to next. It will go to this 5. Okay, then I am freeing this. So I'm freeing the head. Okay, so what it will do, if I free the head, then this 2 will be gone. And again, here, this current is going to, so we get this 5 over here. So 5 is also removed. Sorry, just break it from here. So if I use this free here and remove this head, okay, let's free the current. Okay, save it. So what will happen? The current pointer is pointing to the head of the list, that is 2. Okay, and current is going to current points to next. So it will go to this pointer, and this we are freeing. Okay, so if we free this pointer, we don't have the next pointer. Okay, so this memory and this memory is, been a, memory leak over here. So we cannot do this. So if I like this, so if I put it before this, will it work? So here, what I am doing is I am removing the head pointer because this is pointing to. So we remove this in the second iteration when it comes. So this current points to next because this thing is already freed. So current there is no current points to next. So it will be null only or something. So the next two will be a memory leak. So what is the solution to avoid this? So what I will do, I'll take this out. I'll take a new pointer over here. I'll take node star temp pointer here, and I will give it to current. And here I am freeing not this current pointer, I will free the temp. And I will write a print statement also like freeing node percentage d, and here what I will do, I will print uh, temp points to node value. Okay, so let's do it manually how this works. So first we have the head of the list, that is 2, and next it will check for the current. It is not null. Okay, then this current is going to the temp. Then we have current is equal to current points to next. So this current pointer is incremented to 5. Okay, then we are printing a value. What is that value? Value will be 2 because this is temp, that is current, that is the previous value. So this now the current goes to the next value, that is 5, but the temp is again at the 2 point. So we are freeing this. Okay, again this iterate over this. Now after this first iteration over the while loop, this current is current points to next. So the next time when this while loop will be executed, the next current will be 5, and this 5 value will go to temp. And the next, this current that is 5 earlier, after this line it will be 9, and this temp value is still 5. So it's 1 before the current value. So again we are freeing this. So it will happen still this current is not equal to null. So when it will be at the fourth location, it will be null. So this way we will be freeing the full list. Okay. So let's try it out. If it works, I'll save this and I'll compile this again. Then I run it. So if you see here, first it will give you the list that is 2, 5, and 9, and then you will get the print of this delete list that is freeing 2, 5, and 9. So it will start from 2, 5, and 9 as we discuss how it will be done manually. So this is how to delete a full linked list in one go using this function. So if you have any comments or any doubts, you can post a message below. Thanks for watching.